Ciao Tesla people. Today another road trip, and I'm not sure if I'm going to Impruneta or Greve In Chianti or some other small town around those two. I think there is a very small town close to Impruneta which has a castle, and hopefully it's open to public. I just checked out and it's supposed to be, but since it's private, I'm not sure. So I'm going to do a time lapse of the ride, and then we'll see you there, and hopefully I can show you something around there. Okay, so let's see you in a bit.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I
So just got back home. It was a nice ride. It's really warm. It's 23 degrees Celsius. So went to Impruneta and Greve In Chianti and entered the Impruneta Cathedral, which was really nice. As I mentioned another time, the entire cathedral got bombed during the Second World War, so internally was redone. The actual roof was completely redone, and all decorations and statue and pictures got destroyed. Anyway, it was a nice ride, and the everything was okay. Spring is here, I guess. It's really warm. Anyway, I'm going to leave my Tesla referral. Check it out if you're buying a Tesla or taking a test drive. Use it. And all the links about accessories that I install on my Tesla Model Y. Check them out. And please leave a like, subscribe, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.